Colorado license plates. This is, and by the way, the atmosphere is really nice as we watch the sunset. A bunch of people outside too. It's only 45 degrees. These are great beers, and sometimes, you know, when all the little food stand has is a combination. They're homemade. These are good homemade chips at this. Sweet potato and chips. You know, they'll go with good beers. And what are the good beers? This is turn that brown upside down, sour brown with cherries and cocoa nibs. A lot of freaking body to that. With the sour, goes with the chips, no problem. This is salted Scotch Ale. Light brown, still a lot of body to it. A sweet-ish Scotch Ale. You know, we're doing sugar and salt. That's what I'm getting right now. This is a triple IPA. Very sweet in the finish. Again, the sweet and sour thing, sugar and salt thing going on again. It's here, spiced imperial Saison, Szechuan peppercorn, sumac, Saison. It is that big Belgian farmy flavor. The peppercorns are barely there. The sumac adds, I don't know what's that's adding, to be honest, but it's a little slippery and nice. Chips and some beers, yeah, they work just great.